Hello, this is Larissa from Wings Custom, and today we're going to talk about a handlebar complete set for your road glide specifically. So, this handlebar you're going to talk about today is the Diablo curve, okay? Let's first talk about the name of this handlebar. So we call it Diablo curve because it has those pointy ears and the curve that goes like this. You can see better. This handlebar is specially made for the road glide. It has all the needed reductions here you see, so it doesn't crest to the fairing. It has the right riser diameter, so it will fit with your original riser clamps. It also has the needed reductions here at the handles part. You can see better like this. We make everything necessary, so when the handlebar gets to you, you just have to install it and you won't have to do any kind of drills or anything like that. This handlebar, like I said, it's the complete set one. So in this complete set, you can order on our website. It comes with the brake, the clutch, cables run inside the handlebar, like so, through the middle of the bars. And it also comes with the extension wirings passed already inside the bars as well. This way, when the handlebar gets to you, your mechanic or yourself just have to install it, bleed the clutch and the brake if it's hydraulic, and connect the extensions for the electrical wiring. Okay, now let's talk about more details. What makes this is a special handlebar. This here is a Diablo curve Rhino. So the Rhino in the name stands for 2 inches diameter. Here on the side you can see some diameters of handlebars. This would be a 2 inches thick, our Rhino model, and this would be 1 1/4, the original one for the road glide. If you look at the difference, it's really big, and this just looks so much better in a big bike like road glide. We also have this middle one, the 1 1/2. It's what you're going to find in most of the brands right now. Looks good, but not as good as the 2 inch thick, and that's what we have here. The Rhino tube that allows us to pass the brake and the clutch inside the handlebars and give you this clean look. So there's nothing hanging here. The handlebar is just perfectly clean and straight and without anything hanging off. Okay, now let's talk about the finishing. As you can see, this is a very shiny black. This is the gloss black finishing that it's available on our website, together with the matte black finish. That would be a matte, a black finish, but without this shine, more like matte, more opaque. And we also sent a instruction manual that comes with all the needed extra parts to install your handlebar. Everything that you need is going to be here. We also have a person that takes care of the customer service, so if you need any help to install the handlebar, you can talk with them. Now, to finish, let's talk about the measurements. I know a lot of you guys have questions about what's the perfect height of handlebars for me? What's the tip to tip of this handlebar? So, if you're looking for this model in specific for a road glide, the tip to tip will be 39. I know that it may seem a little bit big, but because of this detail here at the top, the Diablo points, we needed a bigger tip to tip, but we do a 6-inch pullback, so your hand position is still comfortable, even though with the bigger tip to tip. If you want to go smaller on the tip to tip, we have other handlebars that will allow you this possibility. Just talk with a salesperson and they are going to help you out. This is a 16-inch handlebar. We measure from here, the base, to under the handle part, and that would be 16 inches. We can do it in 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, up to 20 inches. We also have this base here is measured 13 inches and a half and that's for the road glide. For each bike, we have a different measurement here at the base, so it fits your bike perfectly. Talking about the base, you see those reductions, they're all machined, so nothing here is like welded. It's machine made and it's much more resistant than would it be if we welded here. We also have this double cross knurl here that allows the riser clamp to really clamp there, and the handlebar gets very stable once installed. It won't be like hanging around, won't be like messing it up. You are going to feel it like this, but perfectly comfortable as it should be. And yes, this is the Diablo curve handlebar set that comes with all the cables and wires already installed inside the handlebar. We can make this handlebar for road glides from 2012 up to 2024. Even the CVOs, the special models, just talk with us and we're gonna lead you the right way to find the perfect handlebar or the perfect set with the correct cables depending on the year of your bike. And that's it. That was the Diablo Curve Rhino bars for the road glide. If you have any questions, just ask us and visit us at wingscustom.com.